Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the umbrella puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Tamas Vanya from Hungary and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The umbrella puzzle was made using two different types of wood, American walnut and ash. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all pieces into the box so that no holes shown, right? Like you can see right now. The puzzle comes already assembled, already solved, but it doesn't spoil the solution at all, since to start solving it, you have just to remove the parts and try to put them back inside of the frame. There are two types of pieces here. Both of them look like a letter L, but with small exception. This piece has this middle part that moves from left to right and that changes the shape of the piece. And the second one looks like letter L, but the middle piece moves in the other direction, again left and right, and it changes the shape of the part. There are two parts like this and 5 more parts that are where the middle piece moving in the different direction. Looks a little bit scary, but it is not too scary, since this puzzle is not very difficult to solve but very pleasant to solve, and it has more than one solution. That means that you can enjoy this puzzle again and again and again, and every time you will be finding a new solution, a new way to solve it. Right now I'm just putting parts inside to see if I'm lucky enough to solve it at the first try, but I don't think I can do that right now. As you can see, I can't put the last piece inside. It sticks out a little bit. So we have to find the correct way to put all parts inside. It will be a very nice coffee table puzzle, since every time you have a coffee, you can try to solve it, and every time you will enjoy it. If you like the umbrella puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see at least one of the solutions of this puzzle, keep watching the video. I don't really know how to solve the puzzle, since there are too many solutions, so I'll try to find one right now while filming the video. I'll start with these two parts, then maybe I'll drop this piece here, just like solving it on intuitive way, trying to find the best possible approach, but I don't think I did it right now. Oh, maybe if I put this part here, then I stick this part here. Yeah, I can put this part, but then there are some gaps left. So I have to find another approach and see. Oh, yeah, I had just to change places of some of the parts, and the puzzle is solved, as you can see, respect inside. If you count the voxels here, you will find that it will be always one piece missing and you won't be able to complete the shape. But as a challenge for you, you can try to figure out some of the solutions where the gap won't be visible on any of the sides. It is possible to find such assemblies. So great puzzle, and a nice puzzle for those who don't like extremely difficult challenges. And this one is also a good looking one. If you like the umbrella puzzle, or you want to try some other puzzles designed by Tamas Vanya or made by Pelikan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.